Okay, in the previous video we looked at the harvester rack and we saw how to replace the sensors to the harvester rack, and at the same time we looked at the LEDs, the LED lights on the left side of the dock and then on the right side of the dock. So here we have the harvest management console program. It's already open, and Andy is going to open that again. Management console, there we go. Okay, the first thing you would like to do is click on that window in Rack Overview. Now here you can see the status of those sensors. You can see some of them are on the left hand side. You can see the battery status. Some of them are completed, that means they're charged, and some of them are still indicating that they're being charged. Yep, like 1097. And at the same time, if you look at the right corner of each cell, right bottom corner, you can see if the communication is ready, or the stations are ready to deploy, or if there's any error or not. And here you can see the 1091 has error. If you take your mouse and hover over that cell, you can see what the problem is. And here it says the harvest state is harvesting or QC error. So the first thing you would like to do here is select that cell by clicking, and then right click, and then go to View Docking Processor. The first step is to do soft reset remote unit. Just click on it and you will get the information, and then you can get back to the rack view and you will see that that is going to disappear. Yep. And it's going to come back. So what this does is, this is actually starting the software again for that specific dock. We can do the same thing for others and try to solve this problem. Once you're done with that, you just want to give a few minutes to the system and see if you're going to see the error message again. If you don't see the error message, you can move on to the next section. If you see the message, there is another solution. As you can see, 1091 gave error again. So what we're going to do is right click again. We will go to the View Docking Processor. This time we will do the hard reset remote unit. We're going to do the same thing for 1099 and 1079. And hopefully this problem is going to be solved. If it doesn't, there's another solution to do it. As you saw, 1091 gave an error. The whole dock gave an error for a while, but everything came back. This is okay. If this is staying more than 5 minutes, that means there's a problem with that specific dock. But in this case, everything looks good. Once again, we're going to give like maybe a few minutes or 30 seconds to see if we're going to get any error message. And if you don't get any error message at all, there's no problem. The other important thing is you don't have to pay attention to the battery level. When you hard reset, it's going to show as 0%, but then it will show how much it was charged. That's what happened with 1091. Also, a quick reminder, RTD means, again, ready to deploy. In other words, all the tests were done and that specific sensor is ready to go outside. That's it.